Hi, my name is Chris Bertels, and I'm an accountant at Nimbus XYZ. What if you could see your sales, expenses, and other important business numbers visually, so you can digest it quickly and actually use it to make business decisions? Until now, I haven't been able to help my clients get the story behind their numbers, and I was frustrated you couldn't get useful insights into your business. I'm pleased to say that I can now do that for you, and I'd like to show you. This report I've created shows a 360-degree overview of the business, and everything in this particular report is coming from QuickBooks Online. Now looking at this, I understand this may seem overwhelming. That's understandable. There's a lot of numbers on here, and there's a lot of information to take in. I don't want you to focus on that aspect of it right now, because in future videos, we're going to be talking about each one of these elements of the report and why they're important to track in your business and what kind of insights they can give you. For right now, I just want to focus on the dynamic, interactive nature of this report, because I guarantee it's like nothing you've ever seen before. So let's just start with sales. This is showing sales for the past 12 months. It's also showing sales by customer for the past 12 months. It's showing the number of customers for the past 12 months, as well as the breakdown by state. Now here's what's really important. If I click on Kim S, you can see that everything changed dynamically. We can see the sales Kim S has made by month for the past 12 months. We can also see by looking at sales by state, we can see that she comes from DC. We can click on any customer, in fact, and the report is going to change and filter based on that customer. So if we click on Alexander W, we can see visually very quickly that he purchased every month for 5 months, and then in May, he stopped purchasing. So that may be something that we want to look into. There may be a particular reason for that, or rather, there's definitely a reason for that. So we might want to look into that. Now, in fact, I can click on more than just the customer name. I can click on any element of this report and it's going to update dynamically. If I want to see the 166 customers that purchased in July, all I need to do is click on that month. And sales by customer now is showing all 166 customers as well as how much they spent in July. I can click on June. If I click on June, I can see there were 22,300 in sales. And now I can see that 19,600 of that is by DC. And then I can see the portion Virginia and Maryland. If I want to see the sales visually for Maryland for the past 12 months, I can click on Maryland. And now this total sales up here is actually showing the Maryland sales for the past 12 months. If we look at number of customers now, it's just showing the number of customers in Maryland. This is showing the individual customers in Maryland as well as how much they spent, and then we can click on Virginia and everything. The important thing is to note that everything is going to change. So if we want to answer a question, we just click on the element and it's going to give us answers. As I mentioned, this is a lot to take in. In the next video, we're going to be talking about sales.